Stop.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video with the YouTube channel Thomas and Meg. In this video, I'm going to do a cold start on my Steel BG 86C handheld leaf blower. And guys, this blower is pretty much done. Yesterday, my dad blew leaves, and I wanted to blow leaves with him, but my blower wouldn't stay running. So we'll see what happens now. You want to say hi to the YouTuberinos?
And hi, everyone.
Alright guys, let's see what happens with this machine, with this blower. And then after this video, I'm going to do a video of me using my dad's Echo backpack blower. And Meg is going to record that video. Alright. Oh boy. Come on. Guys, take care, and stay tuned for the video of me using my dad's Echo backpack blower. Y'all take care.